What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my very first review. It's for the New Balance 997H. I've been doing unboxings, and I finally decided to step it up and actually do a review. So here it is as you watch up the sped up video. Just a quick little background. I actually ended up buying these sneakers based upon a targeted ad from Todd Schneider. Loved just how the sneakers looked. Clicked on the ad. Was psyched to see they were only $59. Unfortunately, after the shipping, the city tax, the state tax, the special tax, whatever in the world that is, it was basically $72. Still a pretty awesome deal. New Balance regularly lists these at $89.99, so it still made out pretty well. So just a bit more background information. The 997H was released on February 2nd of 2019, so sneaker has been out for a bit now. It's in the line of the 997s. 997, of course, is a classic New Balance sneaker. Some of the actual features of the sneaker, I'm just going to rattle some of these off. Soft faux midsole, heel and arch reinforced, polyurethane rim, rubber outsole. Has a pretty cool little easy pull loop in the back. The upper is made out of suede and mesh. Midsole's end cap, outsole's rubber. The weight of the sneaker is 10.4 ounces. If you check out the reviews for the sneaker that people have submitted on the New Balance site and also Foot Locker and all these other places, a lot of 5-star reviews, a lot of really great reviews on the sneaker overall. Slight criticism that I did find on a 4-star review on the New Balance site stated they're slightly narrow and not as comfy as the 574. But overall, just really strong reviews across the board. So here we have it. It's been a little over 2 months, and this is what the kicks are looking like now. The New Balance 997H's. Yeah, they've held up really well. Despite being in New York City where there's been a good amount of rain, I've been stepping in puddles. People have probably stepped on my feet at a bar. They've held up well. They still look pretty clean. I don't use a shoe cleaner or anything like that, so I just wipe it down with a paper towel. So considering that, I think they look pretty good. They're holding up well. I also wore them to Lollapalooza, so I was wearing them throughout that festival, and that was a good litmus test. I think if you're on your feet all day, especially at a big music festival, your feet don't hurt at the end of the day. That's actually a really good sign for the sneakers. I would say that there's no real criticism I have. I think, especially for the price point, they're really high quality for that price point, or what you're getting at that price point is great. It's great athletic, athleisure type of sneaker, just a great casual everyday sneaker. Just going back to what I was going to say, the one thing I'd say, I wouldn't quite call it even a criticism, but if you're looking for a running shoe or you're a bit more serious about running, I wouldn't wear these for that purpose. I would stick to basically just an everyday sneaker that, if you can dress casually at work, I'd suggest wearing these. Or if you're just lounging around, I think these are a perfect sneaker. Again, the price point was a big selling point for me. The price point was so big that I actually ended up finding another pair of 997H's for even cheaper. So I was on Amazon, and I might put the link in the bottom. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Technically, I would get a referral fee, or I should, if you link and buy, but I'm not really sure if I'm going for that quite yet with this channel. But in any case, it was either $52 or $54 for these sneakers. But there's also a coupon that dropped down the price of these to $40. So I actually paid $40 for these things up here, which I thought these were a bargain when I got these for $72, but I mean, it's kind of crazy. So I was pretty happy about that. One thing that you'll notice just looking at these now, these do appear a lot wider. I think I do have wide feet, which is another reason I did like the sneaker, but I think I kind of expanded it or stretched it out a bit. So there's that. But yeah, it's overall in summary, just an awesome lightweight sneaker at a really good price. I love the colors. I should mention that few people came up to me that basically just said, "Oh, I love those sneakers. Uh, love the colors." So that was pretty cool too. When I first started wearing it, especially just people at work and some of my friends complimented me on that. So that's always a nice added bonus. And yeah, so thanks to everyone for watching my first review on YouTube. There shall be more. They will get better over time. Even working on this video, there's things that I was like, crap. But I know over time things will get better. And so please stick with me if you liked what you saw. Please subscribe to my channel and look out for more videos. Thanks.